What is up, guys, and welcome back. So in this video we're gonna be adding two buttons right here. So the first button is gonna take me to the down of the service. That's gonna tell me about myself, so I'm gonna add a little bit about myself. And then the second button is gonna take me to contact me, or contact us, or contact in Zeal. So you can just create two buttons. Okay, so for that I want to just click this guy. Okay, if we want to add any element, we have to click this guy. So I'm gonna just hit this, and you can see that I am right here. So I need two buttons, so that is why I want to add two columns, because this is important. So I'm just gonna grab this columns. Okay, I'm just gonna drag it and drop it right here. Okay, you can see it is coming right here. I'm just gonna drop it right here, so you can see that inside this column, this is the column. Okay, and I can add two buttons right here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go to this guy right here again. Okay, and you can see that these are the two columns right here. So I'm just gonna go with the button. I'm just gonna drag this button right here. Okay, and I'm just gonna click this guy once again, and I'm gonna drag this button right here. So you can see that this is the button and this is the button. So we have two buttons right here inside two columns. So you can see that what I did, I just added two columns right here first, and then I just click this guy once again, and I drag this button. Then I click this guy once again, and I dragged this button, and you can see that these two buttons are here in this column. So I can just edit this whole section, and I can edit this even column, or I can edit this column, and this is the whole column. So you can see inside this column we have one section, and inside this section we have two columns. So this is very easy. You just have to drag a column, and then you have to do it. So now what I'm gonna do, I just want to align this to right side so that it basically come closer. So I'm just gonna come here, and this, I'm just gonna have to hit this, and it's gonna come here, and this says edit button. So I'm just gonna drag it, or I'm just gonna hit align right. So you can see that if I just come here, click here, you can see that these are the two buttons right here that says click me and click me. Okay, and now here it is going to be, I'm just gonna make some editing. I'm gonna make these change like amazing, and you guys are gonna love it. Okay, so for this I want the text to be about me. Okay, and for this I want the text to be contact me, or I can even add hire me. Okay, so I have two buttons. I have about me and then hire me. So let's just come here, and we have the about me section. I want to don't just link it to anywhere, just you can add a hashtag that is gonna say that this is the dummy link, and it will not work, okay, until and unless I assign any link. So you guys already know about linking. Okay, now what I want to go to the styling of this. So I'm just gonna go to the style. Okay, and I don't want to think that I should go with the typography, but the background color. Okay, I want to change the background color. So the background color is going to be okay, I think the background color should be transparent for this. So I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna hit this, and I want to make this fully transparent. So you can see that the background color is transparent, and instead I want a border. So I want to go with the border, and that is going to be the solid. So its width is going to be 2 pixel. Okay, and the border color is going to be black. It looks cool. Let's just go with 5 pixel. 5 pixel is very big, so I think 1 pixel looks cool. Okay, now we have the border radius. So for border radius, I think it should be 25. Okay, let's just click this. Okay, you can see how this is looking. This is looking very amazing. Okay, what I want right now here, this is gonna be, so we have the border type, we have the button right here, we have the background color. So I want to go with the hover effect. So for hover, I want it to be like if I bring my mouse over here. So this is basically, this refers to the hover. So hover means that if you can see that when we were editing the image, we went to this style and then we went to the hover animation. So on hover, like if I just bring my mouse over here, this image is upping. This image is floating basically. So same like this, I'm just gonna come here and I want to go to the style and I want to go to the hover section. So if someone brings his mouse to it, then it should change the color. So it should change the background color to be full black. Okay, and you can see how this is looking. Cool. The animation is gonna be the float. So I don't think if this is looking great. So no. Let's just go to Crow. Now, I think I don't need any animation because this is looking a bit cheap. So I think this is looking great. Okay, and this looks pretty well. The About Me. And then I need to just configure this button. So this is going to be the Hire Me, and the Hire Me is going to be, let's just go to the style, and I want to go to the background color. So my background color is going to be bluish, and not the bluish, just make it a bit of green, and then just, okay, this looks cool. This looks cool. Okay, I want to go to the border type, so it's going to be the solid. Okay, and the border radius is going to be 25 pixel. So this is looking cool. Okay, I wanted the border to be 1 pixel. So, and the color is going to be the normal green. Okay, and here we go. So if someone brings his mouse to this, then we need a hover effect. And that is going to be, so I need to bring my mouse over here, hover. Okay, and I need to change the color to be, the background color should be changed to transparent. Okay, this is looking so cool. So the background color is changing to transparent, and the border color is going to be this full. So I think I need more border. So for this, I want to go with 2 pixel. Okay, this looks cool. Now let's just come here, and you can see that I have 2 buttons that says About Me, and this says Hire Me. So I think this screen needs to be changed to another color because this is not pretty visible to me. So okay, I'm just gonna go to the normal one, and I'm gonna change the background color. So let's just change the background color and test which background color suits us. I think this one. Okay, this is looking cool. So we have About Me, and then we have Hire Me. So we have 2 buttons right here. Okay, let's just go to the content area, and the size is going to be medium. So we have 2 buttons, and this one should be also medium. Okay, now this is visible a bit. About Me, Hire Me. So this looks cool. This looks great. Okay, I think I should change this to be the full. So I think I should make this the fully I'm gonna come here, and I want to go to the typography, and the transformation should be to uppercase. So I think this uppercase is looking great. So you can also change the font and weight of these as well if you want to. Okay, I think it is looking pretty well right here, about me and the hire me section. So everything is looking great. So we have this. Let's just review all of the things. Okay, so first of all, we added this background. We worked with the section, not this. But first, we added our this title right here. Okay, we aligned this title to the center by just clicking this, and then we went to this alignment and we just hit this, so it was then aligned to center. Okay, and then we added an image by just clicking this guy. We just dragged the image from here, we just dragged it right here, and then we chose the thumbnail. Okay, we added the image. Okay, and we aligned this to center. Then we went to the style section. Okay, and then we added the border radius so that it turns to circle. Okay, because we added the radius. Then we added the border the border color. We just decrease the sum of the transparency so that it looks great. Okay, and we also added the border type to be solid. Then we added the animation so that if anyone brings his mouse, you can see that the image is going above. Okay, we also added the text shadow tool right here. Then we also added this professional tagline by just dragging this text editor right here. We added this, but if I just click this, you can see that I added this content. Then I went to the style section. I just changed the color to be white and a bit of gray. I turned on the typography. I increased the size. I chose the font to be Open Sans, and I changed the weight to be 300 so that it is a bit of thin, and it looks great. Okay, then I did nothing. Okay, so then I added 2 columns. Okay, I just clicked this column, I just dragged it under this column right here so that it becomes a whole section. Okay, and in this section we have 2 columns. So in this one column we added this button, and then we click this guy, then we added this button right here, and then we just make the changes. So this is very easy. This Elementor plugin is so easy, and you guys are gonna love it when you guys will start building a website. So you can see how this is looking. Okay, so thanks a lot guys for watching this till here. In the next video we're gonna add a new section, and that is going to be about me. Okay, and then we're gonna add some more. So stay tuned, and bye bye.